Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to install SoftMaker's FreeOffice 2018 on Linux Mint 19 operating system. So FreeOffice 2018 is a free-to-use Office suite available for Windows and Linux platforms. So here you can see that I have already downloaded SoftMaker's FreeOffice 2018 as a Debian package for Linux Mint 19 operating system. So I'm going to open a terminal and log in as a sudo user. So only sudo user can install the Debian packages. Then I am going to install this Linux Mint 19 Debian package. So this is the command to install SoftMaker FreeOffice 2018. So installation is started. Yes, so installation is successful. It does not ask me any dependencies in Linux Mint 19. So installation is successful. Let me check in start menu. Yes, I can able to see the entries are there. FreeOffice 2018 software. See here, 3 entries are there. TextMaker, PlanMaker, and presentations. So now I'm opening the FreeOffice 2018. So at the first time it will ask for a theme. You select any theme. So I'm selecting the ribbon theme with the green color background. So first I open the FreeOffice 2018 PlanMaker. So this PlanMaker software is equivalent to Microsoft Office Excel. So I think all the features and functionalities, basic features and functionalities in Microsoft Excel will be available in FreeOffice 2018 PlanMaker also. Also all basic mathematical functions and formulas also supported here. So this FreeOffice 2018 is free to use. So look and feel also is good here. So rendering also, graphical rendering also good here. So I did not face any graphical rendering problem in opening the PlanMaker. So let me open FreeOffice 2018 presentation now. So FreeOffice 2018 presentation is equivalent to Microsoft Office PowerPoint. So you can create presentation slides, and also you can do animations, basic animations. So I think some of the slide layouts are also available by default. So this look and feel also is very good here. Look and feel is similar to Microsoft Office PowerPoint. So inbuilt it has some templates, so you can make use of the inbuilt templates accordingly to your needs. So good here, everything good here. Now let me open FreeOffice 2018 TextMaker. So TextMaker software is equivalent to Microsoft Office Word. So what are all the features and functionalities available in Microsoft Office Word? You can try it in FreeOffice 2018's TextMaker software. So most of the features are available in TextMaker. So also it has some inbuilt templates, you can make use of it. So you can create the documents. Yes, so rendering also good here. I did not face any graphical rendering problems. So FreeOffice 2018 installation on Linux Mint 19 is successful. Make sure that you have good graphics card installed, and graphical editor performance depends on desktop managers on Linux operating systems.